Alright, I'm going to do a video on my Pro Bike Tool air pump. But first I'm going to show you the other piece of junk and why you don't want it. This pump failed me. Had to change the tube in this tire. Got a nail in it, imagine that. So it's got a Presta valve. This thing's made for other things, and you have to put this little adapter right here on your Presta valve so that the pump will fit. Well, when you screw it on the Presta valve, it'll pump up the tire, but when you take this off so you put your cap back on, this takes your valve core out with it, and then you lose all that air you just worked your butt off to put in there. So this pump with these adapters are junk, which is why I bought this. This strap holds really good. As you can see, I'm trying to get it to move and it doesn't move. And you just pull down, release, and it also snaps in. So this pump has the hose in the end. One end is for regular valves and the other is for your Presta valve. So you take the end you're not going to use and you screw it, screw it in this end. Then you screw it to your hose or your valve core. The whole thing will spin. You just thread it on your valve core and then you just start pumping. Works great. After you got regular valves, you just simply turn the hose around and thread in the other end, and now you got a regular valve stem like for your car or bicycle. And then when you're done, you stick it back inside of itself if you can figure it out. I'm having a hard time today. But this, when you remove the hose, will not take your valve core out. It's all aluminum except for the rubber, and on the hose it's got rubber and it's got O-rings. So there it is, folks. It's a good pump. I like it a lot. Worth the money. And you just snap it right back in. Strap it down. Pro Bike Tool. Don't buy the junk, buy the quality.